Study smarter, not harder. Notion Student Planner for exam success. Do you keep missing deadlines, losing track of assignments, or forgetting what chapter your test is on? You're not alone. Student life can feel chaotic. But what if you could organize your entire semester in one digital dashboard? Today, I'll show you how to build or use a Notion Student Planner to study smarter, manage assignments, and boost your grades. Why students get overwhelmed? Too many platforms. Paper planners, notes apps, calendar, Google Drive. Forgetting due dates, last-minute panic. Disconnected notes, hard to revise. The secret isn't working harder, but building a single source of truth. Benefits of an all-in-one Notion Student Planner. See deadlines, grades, and study notes in one dashboard. Never rewrite info, link notes to classes and exams. Weekly View keeps you on track. Digital, access from phone, tablet, laptop. Step-by-step Notion walkthrough. Courses database, subject, professor, syllabus. Assignments track, due date, priority status. Exams and quizzes track. Notes database linked to each course. Weekly and semester overview dashboard. Show screen as you build each database and explain filters, views, and relations. Daily and weekly planning. Morning routine, check dashboard. End of week review, reflect, adjust study plan. Monthly calendar to see busy weeks in advance. Tips to boost grades and stay motivated. Use priority and progress columns. Add quick capture section for ideas and reminders. Customize with emojis, covers, quotes. Download my ready-made Notion Student. Want to skip building from scratch? I made a fully customizable Notion Student Planner. Assignments, exams, grades, study schedule, all linked. Duplicate it instantly and get organized today. Link is in the description. Invite viewers to like, subscribe, comment their favorite Notion feature. Tease next video, e.g., how to build a GPA calculator in Notion.